Hi, I'm John from Sauna on Location, and today we're going to start building up this beautiful cedar barrel sauna. And today we're going to make some supports that we can put it onto the trailer, get it mounted, and be able to bring it to your house on weekends and events. So let's get after it. Okay, well, now that we have our box opened up and we can get inside it, we are going to take these barrel supports, and these are made of plastic, which wouldn't really be good on the trailer, and we're going to recreate these into the 4x10 treated lumber and create our cradles out of wood that we can then mount to the trailer securely and keep everything in place. So that's our next step. Okay, now we're going to trace this arc. And we just got to make sure we cut these square. We'll flip it over and go from there. So check back later on. Okay, so now we're just making sure we got everything square because we're making our template. This is all looking pretty good. That way when we transfer this piece, we'll make the other 4 out of it. We'll all match up and create a nice barrel. All right, we have our cradle supports built, and now we're gonna go over to the trailer. We're gonna level the trailer up, get that all nice and level, so then we can start to use a level and plumb line to get our doors square and straight, plumb, and that's step 2. So we'll check in later on. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to take our boards, make sure that they line up on the ends. Give it some drive in there. Nice and tight. Gonna drop some screws in here. If I would have put some screws in my pocket. Normally they only take one screw in here, but since we're going to be traveling with this guy, we're going to take a few more. Okay, so we've reached the end of today's day. We got the cradles installed. We have the barrel floor installed. Our next step for the morning will be to get the walls up and door up and then just keep going. So that's a good first day right there. See you tomorrow.